Welcome to Auto In this guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Bowers and Wilkins soundbar with a full step-by-step guide.
Method 1. Using the soundbar buttons. Step 1. Turn on your soundbar. Step 2. Locate the power and volume up plus buttons on the soundbar. Step 3. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Wait for the LED lights to flash or for a power cycle. Soundbar turns off and on. Step 5. Release the buttons. Your soundbar is now reset to factory settings. Method 2. Using the remote. Step 1. Turn on your soundbar. Step 2. On the remote, press menu or settings, depending on model. Step 3. Navigate to system settings, reset, factory reset. Step 4. Confirm the reset when prompted. Step 5. Wait for the soundbar to restart automatically.